Eruption of Mount Etna and severe flooding in Portoferraio on the island of Elba. Here are some tips on how to behave near a volcano that is erupting. Follow the instructions and recommendations of local authorities and volcanologists. If you are ordered to evacuate, do so immediately. Wear a protective mask or a damp cloth to protect the respiratory tract from ash and gases. Italy's Mount Etna, Europe's tallest and most volatile volcano, erupted in a spectacular display of molten lava, fire and fury. Towering over the stunning Sicilian landscape at an altitude of 3,357 meters, this legendary volcano has once again unleashed its raw power, causing tremors across the region and attracting thrill seekers from all corners of the globe. For days, Etna rumbled ominously, throwing up thick clouds of ash, belching smoke and sending ominous vibration deep into the Sicilian soil. Then, as if the heavens had opened, a lava fissure erupted 3,000 meters above sea level, sending a searing river of liquid fire that cascading down the slopes for more 2 kilometers. Showers of the island of Elba, Portoferraio underwater, dozens of people rescued. On the afternoon of February 13, heavy rainfall hit the island of Elba. In particular, Portoferraio found itself underwater. The hardest hit areas were around the stadium and docks. The flooding caused traffic problems, especially on the main road to Portoferraio. Monitor news and warnings via radio, TV or the internet. Attention, what to do? If authorities recommend evacuation, comply immediately. Avoid walking in flooded streets. Water may be deeper than it appears and high hazards such as cliffs and electrical wires. Climb to the upper floors of roofs of buildings. Do not drink tap water until are you sure it is safe. A section of the Volcano road connecting Rio and Portoferraio collapsed. Firefighters carried out 3 rescue operations from flooded houses. In addition, 28 people trapped in their vehicles were rescued. A dance school with 9 children and 3 teachers, as well as about 10 people from the pizzeria, was evacuated. More than 56 millimeters of rain fell in Portoferraio in an hour. Firefighters from Livorno, Florence and Grosseto came to the rescue using divers and various rescue equipment. Enjoyed the footage of the beautiful volcano. But remember that this beauty is dangerous.